Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Infinix Note 40 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of the smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Whenever you use your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top and open this notification center. But there's a gesture by which you can easily open this. To enable this, simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on settings. There you will see the option of gestures. Click on this and then slide down on launcher and then select notification bar. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your notification bar. If you are not a fan of this default sporty theme, then you can change it to your favorite one. To change it, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on personalization. There you will see the option of my themes. Click on this. Here you have 4 different options. You can select your favorite one and then click on apply. It will take few seconds. After that, it will change the theme of your smartphone to that selected one. You can also select a lot of options from online option, but you have to connect your smartphone with any network or any Wi-Fi. In same personalization option, you can also create your AI wallpaper. To do that, simply click on AI wallpaper, connect your internet and then select the category, and then it will create a wallpaper as per your style. If you like those moving wallpapers, then you can also select them. Simply click on live wallpaper. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. You can also select for home screen or your lock screen. Here I have selected for home and lock screen. Now you can see it will show that specific wallpaper. This phone comes with always on display feature. To enable this, open your settings, click on personalization, scroll down and then click on always on display. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one. You can also customize them further. After this, click on apply. And now it will start showing that specific always on display on your smartphone whenever your phone is locked. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must use the next 2 features. Simply open your settings and then click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black in your smartphone, and this will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye care. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen little bit. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these 2 features to protect your eyes. You can also customize this halo lighting effect in this smartphone. To customize this, follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and there you will see the option of active halo lighting. Click on this. Here you can select for which you want to enable this halo light. You can use it for charging, notification, incoming call, etc. Now if you want to change the color or the rhythmic effect of this, then you can customize it from here. You can select your favorite color and then it will start showing that specific color on the back of the smartphone. You can also select different category like lively, rhythmic and AI. So you can customize this active halo lighting effect in the smartphone as well. You can make clone or dual any application in the smartphone. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special functions. There you will see the option of Xclone. Click on this. Then it will show the application which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the dual of this application. As you can see, I have 2 Facebooks now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. You can launch your favorite application from the home screen with the help of simple gestures. To enable this, tap and hold on the home screen and then click on settings. Click on gestures and then select any of these gestures. For example, I'm selecting this pinch out with 2 fingers. Click on start app and then select your favorite application and then click on OK. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply pinch out by using 2 fingers like this, then it will launch your favorite application. You can also change the order of these 3 buttons and you can also set it to gesture navigation. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There on the top you will see the option of system navigation. Click on this. Now if you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, then click on more settings. Here you can change the order of these 3 buttons. But if you want to set the gesture navigation, then select the gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent applications like this, and jump to your home screen like this. If you want to protect the life of your battery, then you can enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery and power saving. Click on battery setting, and there on the bottom you will see the option of charging completion tone. Simply enable this. Now it will play a prompt sound when charging is completed. So with the help of that, you can protect the life of your smartphone's battery. In this smartphone, this notification bar and control center confuses a lot of people, because sometimes it will open your control center and then sometimes it will open your notification bar. But there's a specific area from which if you will scroll down, then it will always show your notification bar. So you have to scroll down from the left side of the front camera, then it will always open your notification center. And if you want to open your control center, then you have to swipe down from the right side of your front camera like this. You can also switch from notification center to control bar like this. So that's how you can always open any of these accurately from the top of the smartphone. Right now your phone is under a huge risk because anyone can shut down your smartphone very easily, but there's a security feature by which no one can shut down your smartphone without the password. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on password and security. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of mobile anti-theft. Click on this and then enable this power of verification. If you enable power of verification, now if someone will try to power off your smartphone, then firstly it will ask for that privacy password that you have set for your smartphone. Next feature is also for your privacy and security. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on password and security. Again click on mobile anti-theft. Then click on unlock capture. Now if you will enable this, then if someone try to unlock your smartphone and then type the wrong password more than 2 times, then it will click a picture from the front camera of that person, and you will be able to check that after unlocking your smartphone. So with the help of that, you can protect the privacy and security of your smartphone. There are a lot of gesture for your convenience. You can do a lot with these gesture. You can double tap to lock, double tap to unlock and control your smartphone with the help of simple gestures. To enable this, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on system. There you will see the option of gestures and actions. Click on this. The first one is quick start. If you will enable this, firstly enable quick start. Now here you have a lot of options. The first one is always enabled. The first one is camera. So right now whenever your phone is locked and if you will draw a C, then it will directly open your camera application, as you can see. You can also set different application for these letters. For example, I'm selecting draw an O and click on this and then click on start app. For example, your favorite application is YouTube, and now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a O on the screen, then it will directly open your YouTube application, as you can see. So you can open your favorite application from your locked screen with the help of these gestures. Again, open your settings, scroll down to the bottom, click on system and again click on action and gestures. There you will see the option of tapping wake. If you enable this, and now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply double tap on the area, then it will wake your screen, and if you will double tap again, then it will turn off your screen. Here is another cool gesture. If you listen to music a lot, then you must use this one. Click on music gesture and then enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply swipe like this to play the previous song, swipe like this to play the next song, control the whole media whenever your phone is locked and when you're listening to music. You can easily use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen in the smartphone. Simply open the first application and then put it in recent. Click on this little arrow and then click on split screen. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then there is a feature of sidebar. This feature is always enabled by default, but you have to swipe to the left to this bar. If you want to open this, as you can see, there are a lot of apps. If you want to edit this, click on edit. Now you can add your favorite application here, remove unnecessary application from here, and then click on done. Now if you will open any application from this sidebar, it will open it in floating window. As you can see, just like your desktop or laptop, it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere, and keep on using your smartphone normally, and it will remain as floating window on the corner of your screen. So you can use this one feature if you like to multitask in your smartphone a lot. If you want to open any application as floating window, then you must enable the gesture for that. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on special functions. There you will see the option of floating windows. Click on this. Firstly, enable this 3-finger swipe up. Now you can open any application with floating window just by swiping 3 fingers like this. It will open it in floating window. In case you ever need the 360-degree flashlight, then you must know that how you can use that. To open the 360-degree flashlight, simply open your control center and then click on this little arrow on the flashlight. As you can see, there are 3 options: back flashlight, front flashlight and 360-degree flashlight. If you enable this, then it will turn on the front and back flashlight at the same time, and you can use this one. Right now, whenever your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings, and also open your notification center and read those notifications. But if you want to disable this, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar. Click on more settings, then disable this open control center on lock screen and also disable open notification center on lock screen. Now whenever you are on locked screen, no one can access your control center or your notification center.